everybody, this is Jewelyn and Carrie.
Hi.
Welcome back to my channel and welcome to another episode of Plant Adventures. So in this episode, we are not going to be doing any kind of challenges, but in this episode, we are going to rescue a plant that Carrie adopted.
Yes.
Okay, so Carrie brought over this beautiful snake plant that needs a little help. Carrie, give me the backstory on this and how long have you seen the plant like this?
God, I've been looking at this thing for like a year and a half. Somebody finally abandoned it, and I just picked it up off the sidewalk.
Okay, so was it near your home?
It was near my home, and it was on somebody's porch, and they left, and they put it on the sidewalk. So people do that here in LA. I took it.
Okay, so it's definitely a rescue. By the way, thank you for coming to my home, and welcome back to my channel.
Thanks.
So I guess what we're going to do with this one is we're going to take it out of the pot because who knows, it's probably root bound in there. These type of plants are very rooty. I have my pruning scissors here and we're just going to take it apart. I have my potting tray set up and we're just going to take it apart. So maybe we need my little shovel to kind of...
It's really tight in that pot.
All right, we're armed and I don't know. Maybe
I don't even know what to do. I'm afraid of...
this is interesting.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't want to also ruin the plant either.
I don't want to kill the plant. I don't want to break the pot, but I'd rather break the pot than kill the plant. I mean, look at the root growing out of the pot.
Okay, I think we're just going to have to do it like this. Huh?
Okay.
What do you think?
Yeah, it's working.
Oh my gosh. Who knows how long this plant was in here?
Sorry.
Go ahead.
Ugh. It's like, I feel like the roots are like stuck to
the pot.
The pot, yeah.
Right. Okay.
I don't want to hurt it.
Yeah, that definitely gave a dent in that side of the pot.
It.
What if I hold onto the plant and you pull on it and twist? Oh my God, it's stuck in there. Okay, that option is gone. Don't you want the pot?
I do want the pot, but
what's more important?
But I'd rather have the plant.
Unless we take chunks of it out, like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah, is there a way to do that though?
Oh.
I feel like at this point it's one big piece. I'm gonna rip this off. Okay. Because I feel like it could survive that being pulled off. What if you hold the pot?
Huh?
You hold the pot.
Okay. Oh my God.
Like it's just stuck.
Go again. Keep going.
Oh my God, I'm afraid I'm gonna hit you.
Go. Oh
my God.
Okay, now that this freed up, what do you think? Go over there with your little shovel.
But see, also look how the pot goes in here.
Right. It's stuck.
And I'm thinking that the roots are all out.
Yeah.
And there's no way that they're going to
go through this part.
No, there's no way.
It's stuck.
I don't really want to, like I said, I hate to break the pot, but...
Well, if you don't care about the pot.
No.
No? Break it?
I mean, I like it, but I don't think we're going to get it out without breaking the pot.
Okay, so you'd rather keep the plant in one piece?
I'd rather have the... Well, I mean... If we start breaking the plant up, how much damage are we going to do to it? We don't know. It's easier, I think, to just break the pot.
You're going to end up with all these cuttings individually like this.
Yes.
So it's up to you, whatever you're going to do.
Pot.
Just a random tool in my toolbox. Go ahead, Carrie. Ooh. Yay! That worked! Look at those roots! Oh my God.
This gives a whole new meaning to root bound.
Oh my God. Look, it's like dying. Look at all that red.
Oh, poor thing.
Yay! Thumbs up the video for saving the plant.
All right, I'm going to turn it and break the rest of the pot, I think. One more.
Wow.
Yeah, there's no way we could have gotten this out. You ready for this?
Oh my God. Yay!
Look at that.
Oh
my God.
I know. That is insane. Okay, so let's take these pieces out. What do you want to do with it? Like, how are you gonna? You're gonna have to.
How?
You're gonna have to soften up the roots, like a scissors or knife, and then just going like this to the root on the outside. I mean, you're definitely gonna have to loosen all this up. I mean, you could just do this, Carrie, if you want. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Because there's gonna have to be some major root damage, just to separate it.
Well, the smaller roots.
Yeah, yeah. Well,
how do you feel now? You know what's underneath the pot.
wow, that's really impressive. How many years do you think this thing has been in here to have grown like this? That's
5 years,
jeez.
Maybe.
And completely ignored the whole time.
Yeah, so these smaller roots I'm not worried about.
Yeah, I'm just like pulling them off the sides. And basically it's just big roots underneath the little tiny roots.
Looks better already.
Yeah.
Well, this is a very interesting, fun adventure. Plant adventure.
Have we done anything like this before?
No, not for plant adventures, no. My previous episode was rescuing a plant from my local garden center, but not from the street.
Okay.
No.
Yeah.
So this is a real rescue.
You can see the main roots there.
I'm gonna do a turn and see what's
Okay.
going. Oh, I think you should work on this side here. Look at that.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Ooh, look at that. There we go. Oh,
Yeah.
Look, there's soil in there. Wow. There we go.
These are probably not healthy roots anyway.
Probably not. There's
The real root.
there's the real thing.
Wow, this looks sad.
It does. Aw.
So guys, if you're watching this and you have a similar situation, don't let it be years down the road to actually do something for the plant, because this is bad. I've never seen roots like bright red like this before, orangey red.
Yeah.
But
And it's
there's
so
no.
wet.
Wow. What do you think?
Well, look at how big the main roots
root
are.
is, yeah.
It'll be interesting to see how difficult it is to split this up.
Oh my gosh. How's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, that looks better already.
Yeah.
So smart choice on the cracking of the
Breaking
pot. Yeah.
There was no other way to do it. Too bad. It was a cute pot.
Okay. Getting somewhere. Yay! This is insane.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
What do you think? Keep working a little bit more? Are you happy with this?
I want to stick my fingers in here.
Okay, go for it.
I never wear gloves.
Same.
I wear them with cacti, and that's it. Wow, that root. I mean, like, it's
Look
just
at
like,
that.
and it's wrapped all the way around. Like, wow.
Oh, you're trying to get under there.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
All right.
'Kay.
Yeah. Look how it's like.
Wow.
Look at. I mean, the roots are all just grown together. How do you do this? Like.
Look at that. Oh my god.
Now, see, that's what a root should look like to me.
Here.
That's why. Yeah.
But
that looks healthy, but all this red
yeah.
stuff is so strange.
Definitely not happy. Okay, plan.
Now what?
Okay, let's regroup. All right, Carrie. Now what?
I don't know. That's why I'm here. You tell me.
Well, why don't we? Do you want to trim this off first and see what's left of the plant?
Yeah, sure. Let's do that.
And do you think that we should maybe try to propagate this bad part, or no? You're over it.
We can try. Why not?
So where do you want to clip? First of all, like, look at this one right here.
There are a couple that are beautiful in here that look healthy.
Do you want to snip this?
Yeah, I mean that
right here.
Yeah.
You can try and.
Oh, look, it's rotten all the way down in there. Eh.
It's up to you.
Cut it. If it's rotten, cut it. Yeah.
All right, so we got one piece off.
Rotted all the way down. Look at that. The rot goes all the way down. Yeah.
Okay, next. What do you want to do with this piece? Do you want to trim it?
Should we trim everything that's yellow down to below the yellow?
Yeah.
Let's do that. Let's start with that.
So here?
Yeah. That looks healthy. Yeah.
Next, what about this guy here?
Oh gosh, yeah. Oh man. Oh, look at this snail.
Oh my god.
That's a nice one. I'll put it with the baby snail down here somewhere.
God.
There you go. Hang on. There you go. Stick to it. There you go.
Where should we cut?
Oh. Well,
here?
Yeah, cut above that and see what...
Here?
Yeah, I think you need to cut below it, actually.
Okay. Oh.
And it's rotten, too.
Okay, guys. Making our way through the plant.
Through.
This one you like?
Yeah, I like that one. That's how it... I mean, that one looks fairly normal.
And then this one? Look at this.
Not bad. Cut
right
there.
Here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah. So before I brought this over, I cut off everything that was just completely dead and brown. So I have some pictures if you want.
Yeah,
I'll give you the pictures for the video.
I'll go ahead and insert it up now.
Okay.
So should we cut like right here? Because look at the brown spot right there. Okay. All right.
What about this guy?
A little
Does it
bit.
look pretty good? Or is it?
Right here?
Yeah, not too far down. It looks decent.
Okay.
Look at that one. That's so pretty. Healthy.
Look at this one, guys.
Ooh, nice.
Yeah, that's the best one in the whole.
And there's babies growing up out of the middle of it.
That's a good one. And then this one, look at the browning right here. Carrie.
Yeah, below.
So right here?
Yeah.
I mean, and if you want, you can put this in water and
see if it'll sprout some roots.
Yeah. So guys, Sansevieras, they propagate very easy, either by separation or say for instance, you get a nice cutting, you can go ahead and put the ends in water and it'll root up really easy and you can put it into soil after that. This one?
There's some stars there.
Here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh, it's up to you where you want to cut on this one.
We should cut all this stuff off, huh?
Do you want to keep this? It's up to you.
Cut above it, why not?
Here?
Yeah.
Here?
Yeah, let's see what it looks like in there. Looks healthy.
You can even try to propagate this if you want. Okay.
This one.
This one. Where, right here?
Yeah, right below that. Yep.
Okay.
That one was bad.
Okay. Making our way through the plant. Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. That one. Ooh, all the way down right here. Yeah?
Yeah.
Ooh, look at that.
Way down there. That looks like rock, doesn't it?
Yeah. I'm going to snip here. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
This guy looks okay. Probably cut that one.
Right here?
Yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Okay. This
And that one pretty, yeah, there.
Right here?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. And what, there?
Okay, yeah.
Okay, I think we only have one more of this one.
Wow.
Oh, wow. More snails.
Where you want to cut?
Above the snail?
Really? Right here?
There?
Right.
Yeah.
Right here.
Okay, don't cut the snail.
Ah. There?
There. Yeah.
Whew.
Okay. Well, now. Oh, there's one more.
Okay. You want it cut
Probably pretty low, huh?
here?
Yeah, just chop it off.
Alright,
All
guys,
right.
that's the most pruning I've ever done on my channel.
There's nothing left. Pluck the snail out. Put it with the other two snails. Look at that guy. Little antenna sticking out.
Oh my goodness. You can show the channel if you want. I'm sure they're curious to see what it looks like.
Well, if I pick him up, he's going to
He's
pull
gonna
back
hide.
in. Yeah,
Yeah.
he'll pull back up into his shell. We can show them later. Oh, there's a third one. We'll have to dig it out of here somewhere. It's probably buried in all the mud. Okay, now what?
That's it.
All right.
You're good to go.
Oh, yeah? We're going to separate this thing?
Oh, you want to separate it?
What do you think?
It's
Should
up
I
to
just
you.
stick it in a pot like this?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay.
Yeah, I would.
All right. Okay. Okay, well, you got that one.
Yeah.
You can keep that one.
As a souvenir.
Yeah.
I'll remember this day.
Oh my gosh, this was crazy. Wow.
Just sitting in the snows, living in the snake plant. There's one more other guy, but Carrie's gonna take them and put them back somewhere near where she found the plant.
Yeah. So they don't munch on your plants.
So that wraps up. Look at all the work we did here.
Wow.
Okay, guys, that wraps up episode 3 of Plant Adventures, rescuing a real rescue plant.
Yeah.
So, Carrie, do you want to show everybody what it looks like? I'll hold this up and you can pull it out. So this is the end result of where the plant is at. If you can see, we pretty much took out all of the finer roots. Still, the major part of the root system, the root ball, is still there. So I'm really happy about that. But then taking all of the stressed out roots off, I think was the best bet for the plant. Carrie's gonna keep it all together.
It's super wet. I'm gonna sit it out for a few days and let it
Dry out. Okay.
Yeah.
And then as you can see, we took all of the bad parts off. And this is what's left of the plant. So are you happy?
Yeah, there's like 5 really pretty healthy leaves there.
Yeah, so this...
and lots of new growth down in there, so it'll be good.
Thank you, Carrie. I have a little souvenir here, and if you see here, there's roots. And these guys are really easy to propagate, whether by separation or cuttings like this. I could either put this end in water, or I could stick it right into dirt, and it'll just do fine.
It'll be fine, yeah.
Yeah. Oh, also shout out to one of my subscribers who's sending me this cute shirt. I'll go ahead and link her shop in the description box. And that is going to wrap up the video. If you enjoyed today's plant adventure featuring Carrie and her rescue snake plant, definitely give this video a thumbs up. Thank you, Carrie, so much for being a special guest on my channel once again and coming over to my space.
Thank you.
If you're new, subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell to be notified whenever I do an upload. I do daily videos on this channel, which I'm absolutely proud and motivated to do for you guys. And I love being able to inspire you one video at a time. And I'll see you guys soon. You can find more on my blog at ilovejewelyn.blogspot.com. Aloha from Santa Monica, California.
Bye.
Bye.